Now, I hate to tell people what to do with their tax return. I know it's getting ready to be 2020 and we are expecting some income tax checks coming in. And, I hope for each and every one of you, not one of them gets snatched. If you're going to be facing your income tax getting snatched, please make sure you pay attention to an upcoming video. I'm going to show you how to keep your taxes from getting taken. I made this video simply because there are so many individuals, and I'm not talking about business owners, individuals, average, regular, everyday people that don't understand that taking anywhere between $100 and $150 to incorporate a business is probably going to be the best thing you can give yourself for the new year. Absolutely. And why? Because when you start a business, you now have the ability to create a separate credit profile. That means you have your personal credit and you have business credit, which means double the credit that you normally would have. And if you're smart, you will get in the business of learning how to leverage the credit that you get to make it work for you. There are a lot of people that are just not going to be able to get loans from the bank. And I'm just going to tell you the truth. If you're African American, it's even harder to get a loan from the bank. So there are ways to go around trying to get a loan from the bank. And you do that through utilizing credit. Easy. If the bank won't give you the money, you go and you get it through credit. And you can easily do that by creating a business. I'm really pushing the notion that for 2020, each and every one of you take anywhere from $100 to $150. It depends on your state, really. If you're in Florida, it's only $125. But take that little investment. That's not even 2% of what your tax return is going to be. Take that little 2%, 1%, and go and invest in a business. Even if you don't open it and run it, you just need it to be active, folks. That's it. You just need it to be active. Then you get your EIN. Then you get your DUNS number. Then you start getting credit. That's it. It's really 1, 2, and 3. And I promise you, if you think about your children and you start a business for your children and you get credit on it now, think what happens when those children turn 18, when they turn 25. Hell, when they turn 40. You've kept that business going that long. You've had credit on that business that long. Do you know the amount of things that you can get now with your business? We're talking homes, we're talking cars, and it doesn't even have to be 10, 20 years down the road. You can do this in less than a year. But I am speaking to those who drag their feet a little bit, because there are some of us, we got too much going on. We busy, and I get that. But I'm just going to encourage each and every one of you, when you get the opportunity, go and create that business for yourself, for your kids, your grandkids, your husband, your auntie, whoever. Gift them with businesses this year at Christmas time. And then get with me, and I'm going to show you how to turn that business into money. Because it's easy. It really is easy. It's not as hard as many people think. Don't let what's in a book trick you into getting what is yours. Okay? So I have to keep making these videos because I'm just so adamant and I'm so passionate about exactly what I believe. And what I believe is that the playing field is not going to be easy for a lot of us. So since the playing field is not easy, it's not even, hell, sometimes it's not even fair. So since it's not, that doesn't mean you cry and wallow and be sad about it. You just find a way to get around it. And there are ways around it. You have to link up with the right people. You got to surround yourself with people who know something. You got to ask questions. You got to put yourself out there. Because if you don't, well, you're just going to be where you're at right now. And that's fine too. But I get tired of hearing people say they want more, but then they don't want to do more. So if you want more, you'll do more.